So if you are studying your O-levels or your IGCSE, by now you should know that it is very important for you to use words in a powerful manner. You know that vocabulary is very important. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can use vocabulary for effect. My name is Nyarai from Sape Academy, and welcome. So I'm going to give you a sentence, all right, with the word eight, right? So right now I'm just going to quickly go to my whiteboard, right, and create a sentence for you with the word eight. So let's have the word Sam, the sentence Sam ate his food. So if we can look at the word ate, you'll find that it is really not a powerful word. It doesn't really show us how Sam ate, right? It doesn't show us the manner in which he did it, right? So I'm just going to replace the word ate with the word gobbled, right? So instead of Sam ate his food, we're going to have Sam gobbled down his food. Now let us look at the word gobbled, right? The word gobbled is very powerful. Why is the word gobbled more powerful than the word ate? It's because the word gobbled shows us that Sam ate his food very fast, very quickly, probably because he was in a hurry or probably he was just starving, right? So the word gobbled is very powerful, and therefore it is the word that you should use instead of the word ate, right? People tend to use words not in the correct way, like people use nice, people use nice for everything. So you would want, for example, let me just write the word nice, right? The word nice really doesn't really effectively show what you want to say. So if you want to talk about a person having a nice personality, you want, for example, to use the word lovely, that they have a lovely personality, right? Okay? Yes. So you need, as a student of English language doing O-levels of IGCSE, to use words in a powerful manner. So today, I just want you in the comment section to just give me 5 more words. 5 more words for the word ate, right? So I've already given you gobbled. So I just need you to give me just 5 more words, and you write them down in the comment section. And don't forget to visit our website, Sape Academy. Thank you so much for watching this video. Goodbye.